that scares you, that's fine, put your head down. It's not going to result on that side. So you have like 3 or 4 people walk around and then you're like in a hurry.
Y'all, it's a great day to be alive. Oh yeah, helicopter training. It's a great day to be alive. Oh yeah, helicopter training. We're training for like evacuations and medical and all kinds of cool stuff and what to do for aid workers working in third world countries. So yeah, it's a good day. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're getting out patients, supposedly. Love simulations. One team there, one team pretending to be patient.
Let me call you back there. This is a drill. I need an LZ set up. LZ Echo at Smoketown Airport. Do you copy?
Oh, this is so much
Copy
fun.
that on it.
This is so much
We're
fun.
expecting somewhere around a 5-minute ETA. They should be calling you on their frequency. When they're about 5 minutes out, you give them an LZ report.
So they're over there trying to load patients, and then they'll take them up around and then land them over at our other team, which is out that way in the distance there.